ninka dambi uu galay ma lehe maxaad habaas weyn u imaatay miya intaasoo Facebook iyo maarta waraaq loo qoraya.
We affirm that Super CS Aden Duale is the undisputed political kingpin of the northern region and need no one's permission to visit any county.
Wale ambaye walizungumza katika Facebook ni wale hata rais alitumwambia jana ya kwamba hawana muono, hawana fikira mzuri, hawana shukurani. Kwa hivyo namwambia wale jamaa ambaye wanafanya hivyo, tafadhali tuheshimiane. Huyu ni waziri ambaye unatoka Northern Kenya upande wa North Eastern.
Hadda waxaan rabnaa wiilka inaad ka noqotiin hadalihii aad ku hadasheen waan daba taaganahay hadalihii aad ku hadasheen haddii nabadgelyo la rabo ka noqda.
Mimi naitwa Mohamed Dagane Osman, ni mzee kutoka Wajia ambaye ni mzee wa amani pia. Na wasalamia wa Kenya yote mahali puko. Leo sisi tumejumuika hapa kutoa asante kwa rais wetu mpendwa William Samoei Ruto kwa kupatia waziri Aden Duale kazi, na pia katika Northern Region alitupatia madaraka nyingi za ambassador, chairman na mambo kama hiyo. Your Excellency, tunakushukuru kwa hiyo kazi mzuri. Tumejumuika hapa leo, kuna wale kidogo wameona wivu kwa Aden Duale ambayo walizungumza ndani ya social media, na hii tunaona ya kwamba hawa maono yao ni wa chini sana, maana Aden Duale ni waziri wa nchi wa Kenya na hii madaraka amepatiwa na His Excellency the President, na ni mtu ambaye anafanya kazi yake vizuri. Maana katika wakati huu muhula huu wa President Ruto alianza kuwa Minister for Defense. Wakati alinyorosha huko akaletwa environment naye alifanya kazi mzuri. Sasa aliletwa wizara ya afya, na yeye ananyorosha vizuri, maana mambo ya yote anatengeneza. Kwa hivyo hii ni waziri ambaye anafanya kazi ya Kenya. Wale ambaye walizungumza katika Facebook ni wale hata rais alitumwambia jana ya kwamba hawana muono, hawana fikira mzuri, hawana shukurani. Kwa hivyo namwambia wale jamaa ambaye wanafanya hivyo, tafadhali tuheshimiane. Huyu ni waziri ambaye unatoka Northern Kenya upande wa North Eastern, na inastahili kila mmoja wa katika North Eastern ashukuru kazi ambayo kijana wetu amefanya. Si wakati wa kwanza tumepata waziri katika North Eastern Province, tumepata mawaziri zingine, lakini hakuna mtu ambaye aliongea juu yao. Tulisema hongera, na sisi tunafurahia anybody from Northern Kenya ambayo ana madaraka, tunasema heko. Kwa hivyo wale wivu ambayo wanazungumza tu bila kufikiria ya kwamba Kenya leo inaenda mbele, na mtu ambaye anapeleka gari ya Kenya kwa speed kabisa ni His Excellency the President William Samoei Ruto. Tunasema hongera kwa President Ruto, na pia tunamwambia wale wenzetu, sisi ni wazee kutoka Wajia, na tunamwambia wale ambaye wanaongea juu ya hiyo maneno, tafadhali tuheshimiane. Uheshimu serikali ya Kenya, uheshimu waziri ya Kenya, na tukae pamoja kwa amani. Kwa hayo machache tunasema sisi tunapatia hongera His Excellency the President, maana yeye zamani sisi alikuwa tunapita through vetting katika ID card, tulikuwa tunatengwa kando, lakini mwaka jana Ruto alisema wa Somali na wa Kenya na hakuna vetting. His Excellency tunamwambia asante sana, tunakushukuru. Leo tunapata kipande bila vetting, bila mambo yote, na sisi tumekata kwa kauli moja. Maana makajuzi wakati alikuwa na campaign, Wajia South ndio walipatia yeye kura nyingi sana, na sisi tumechukua ahadi ya kwamba kama 2027 pia tutampigia kura. Kwa hivyo tunasema Ruto tutam, Ruto tutam, Ruto Ruto. Thank you very much.
Ana waxaa la dhahaa Maday Ahmed Sheikh, waxaan ahay nin reer Wajir County, mas'uulna ka ahaan jiray oo 20 sano ku dhawaad kansala ka ahaa. Haddana oday magaalada degan baan ahay. Waxaa ka socda wadankana aad u fiirinayo, aad u arkay. waxaan oo hadda hadal waxaa keenaya Facebook la qoray oo ninka wasiirka oo dawladda Kenya u shaqeynaya laga dul qoray ninka dambi uu galay malaha maxad habaas weyn u imaatay miya intaas oo Facebook iyo maarta waraaq loo qoraya waxaad ogaatiin ninkan dawladda Kenya buu u shaqeeyaa uma shaqeeyo qoys waa caafimaadka laga wuxuu soo maray finance dhul badan buu soo maray security soo maray inta dawladda waxay hadba meel ugu dhiibi waa inuu shaqadiisa ka adagay oo shaqadiisana uu ka soo baxay waxaan idin sheegaynaa dadka hadda hadlaayo waxaa la rabaa marka la hadlaayo in la fiirsado oo la dhaho ninkan intuu ka imaado horta intuu ka soo baxay waxaa la sheegay in la yiri fidnuu keenay wajeer maxay fidnada uu keenay waa su'aale fidnada uu keenay maxaa waay maxaa baas weyn u imaatay oo ilaahay waa kunaaye aad u hadli oo wajeer sood waalidantee waxa la siiya uu dhahay miya ma waxaa rabtiin xamintii la arkabay inaad idinkeed iskaga sii darsatiin oo wajeer sood ay cidla ahaato weligeed ay saas ahaato wax dhici kara maaha hadda waxaa loogu daru yidhi tu kalaa loogu dari midda kale ninkan Mandera ilaa Kisumu iyo meeshuu rabo Kenya lugtuu saaran labada lugoodu saaran dawladdaana gaarsiisay ilaahay maana gaarsiiyey markii inay fooleeyaha ku caytamaan oo ilaahay kornaa rixii isku kan keenay iyo baraqda la dhaha meeshu kuma jirto amaanka la ilaaliyo nabadgelyadana ha la ilaaliyo nin dhul ka soo baxay ma jiro nin walba dad baad loo korsaday midda kale oo in kugu dari waxa waaye haddaan nahay reer wajeer annaka qoyskooda hal qoys oo reer wajeer la dhaha yaa nahay hal qoys anna reer wajeer anna la dhaha haddii kala qaadqaad iyo fatiixis iyo baraq la keeno way naga halaabi idinkana wax badan baa idinka halaabay annakana wax badan baa naga halaabi waxaa la rabaa idibta iyo maamulka iyo dawladda in la raaco waxa maanta uu haleeyay ninka malaha waana daba taagannahay waana jecelnahay waa wiilkanaga wuxuu noo qabtay ma ogi wuxuu naga haleeyay malaha intaasoo wasiira soo martay wajeer waanu anoo kansale wasiiriin aan la shaqeynayaa jira oo reer wajeer ah wax dhib oo nu geysanayn iyo wax kale toona midna ma jirto hadda waxaan rabnaa wiilka inaad ka noqotiin hadalihii aad ku hadasheen waan daba taagannahay hadalihii aad ku hadasheen haddii nabadgelyo la rabo ka noqda raaligelin ka bixiya midda kale madaxweynaha waa mahadsan yahay wasiir fiican buuna siiyey wasiir dadka u shaqeynayo siiyey yuuna siiyey waxaan jecelnahay in hadda mar kale iigu celiyo dhee laba jeer oo kale loogu celiyo madaxweynaha waxaan ku anaka leenahay two term
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning all. Hamjambo wote. Press statement by Ogaden elders of Wajir County on December 19th, 2025. We, the Ogaden elders of Wajir County, would like to take this opportunity to express our sincere gratitude to you, Your Excellency, Hon William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, for trusting our son, Hon Adan Duale, by appointing him as the Cabinet Secretary for Health. Your Excellency, this is a crucial docket in your government, and we have no doubt that Hon Duale will deliver and discharge his duties diligently, responsibly, and without fear and favor. Hon Duale is a senior and seasonal politician, having served this country in various capacities with dedication, loyalty, and commitment. He served as MP, Assistant Minister, Majority Leader, and now serving as a Cabinet Secretary in your government. Profound thanks once again for the support and trust accorded to our son. We equally wish to thank His Excellency the President for appointing 2 principal secretaries, ambassadors, and various board chairmen and board members from Wajir County and Northern Region. Thank you very much, His Excellency. We strongly condemn We strongly condemn, and I repeat, we strongly condemn the few elements engaging in divisive politics and misinformation motivated by malice and envy to desist forthwith the unnecessary sideshows and the propaganda in social media by engaging keyboard warriors to insult leaders with proven track record like Hon Aden Duale, known to all Kenyans as a brave, bold, and performer who undertakes his duties with integrity, loyalty, honesty, and professionalism. We tell them to stop panicking and stop hiding behind tribal narratives, because such a clan-based politics is outdated in Wajir and the wider region. We affirm that Super CS Aden Duale is the undisputed political kingpin of the northern region and need no one's permission to visit any county, be it in the region or elsewhere within the country. Just recently, he was in Mandera hosting a Quran competition. The next week he is heading to Isiolo and Marsabit counties for development tour. He will continue visiting, uniting, transforming northern counties, whether it pleases anyone or not. CS Duale does not belong to one county or one clan. He is a national leader who transcends county and clan boundaries and continues to champion the collective interests of the northern Kenyan people, the entire Somali communities, Muslims and the wider pastoralist communities, and Kenyans at large. While others are engaged in divisive village-level politics, CS Duale undoubtedly remain a towering figure focused on serving the nation and delivering results. On the other hand, we call upon the national and the county government of the northern region to prioritize and direct the concerted effort in addressing the biting drought that is hitting the northern region. Today, situation is so dire, and we are making an appeal on behalf of the northern region. When I talk of northern region, it's not the 3 counties. It covers so many, from Turkana up to Mandera at the end. The drought is really biting and animals have started dying. So we are making that big appeal, both to the national government, the county governments of the affected areas, and the well-wishers and the donors. Finally, we wish to confirm our unwavering support to His Excellency, the President, His Excellency William Ruto, and we shall vote for him for a second term in 2027 because of the good work he has done in this region, and the entire country. We say, Kumi bila break.